Hi, this is Fred with Worksnaps. I'd like to walk you through the Manage area of the user interface now. You'll see at the top of the page there's selections between projects, users, and templates to manage. Let's go over the active projects that I can manage now with my account. You'll see that I have a option of 39 active projects to choose from, and you can see all of them by default. They're listed with 10. You can select more if you want to see more at the same screen, which will instantly show up. There's a search box over on the right side, so you can put in things that will identify a project. A lot of my projects are imported through the Basecamp Classic integration, but you also see those that are not, do not have that indication. You'll see my role in the project, as well as how many active users are in the project, and then the options to edit, delete, or archive for those projects that I have the permission to be able to do that. Let's go ahead and take a look at one of the projects. Let's go into this one. So I'll click on the edit option, and now I'm managing inside of this project. Here's the project name, and then this is how you navigate in around the project. So you'll have a name and description. Then you'll see a list of the active users which have authenticated and authorized membership into this project. You can go up here to even see those that have been invited but have not authenticated. Let's go back here. You'll see the task for the project. And because this is a Basecamp project, there's not a ready-built way to create tasks within the project. If you did want to create a task within a project, you'd have to do that within Basecamp as a new to-do, and then these to-dos would be automatically pulled into Worksnaps as tasks. If I did, let this back out here, and go back to a project that's not a Basecamp project, you can see what that would look like this one here. And then when I go to task, you'll see the create new task option, and then task name, description, link, and then which of the existing users you'd like to assign the task to. So that's what that screen looks like. Don't want to create any new ones right now. Preferences are some of the details about the project. So you can specify privacy mode for myself within the project, meaning that do I want others to be able to see my time or not using the privacy mode in the Worksnaps client? Just a yes or no option. Allow member users to add tasks. So do I want to let other users within this project create new tasks? If I would like to receive a daily digest of the work completed in the project, you can select that. And then the time zone. So whatever time zone you're in, send me the work done relative to my own time zone. Send me even if there are no activities done during the day, yes or no. Notify me when any user adds offline time manually. So if you think of people might be overusing the offline time option, you could select yes here perhaps. And again, offline time is when anybody records time that wasn't entered in automatically through the Worksnaps client. So typically this is if somebody either doesn't turn on their client but then wants to be able to report time after the fact. If you want to be notified if a user joins the project, then I as a manager can select to receive the time of myself or other users within the project. Other managers on the same project will also receive this daily digest. If you want other users outside of Worksnaps to receive a daily digest, you would input their information in here as well. And lastly, if you want users to receive their own digest or anybody else, simply just input their email addresses in this last input box separated by commas. Once you have all of this data saved, you'll click Save and you'll be good to go with managing your project.